Xanax is a prescription medication. It belongs to the benzodiazepine family. Here's a rundown of them. If you notice on this graph, if this part of the graph equals time and this equals impact, then alprazolam Xanax is actually the first choppy line right here. If you notice, it goes up very fast and it works fast, which people love, but then it also ends quickly. That comes with pros and cons. If you take it often, it's probably not right for you. Because it leaves your body quickly, you'll find yourself wanting it more, essentially. The next yellow line right here is actually Ativan, also called lorazepam. This is a favorite in a hospital setting because it comes in a lot of variations. If you notice also, it takes a little bit longer for it to work, but then also does last a bit longer than alprazolam Xanax. And again, can be given intravenous, intramuscular. For geriatric, comes in pastes and other forms. So because of its utility, it's used in hospitals very often. The next one over would be this blue one right here. If you see right here, it takes a little bit longer for it to start, but then it has almost a bell curve. Okay, and that is clonazepam or Klonopin. And basically, people don't like that it starts. It starts a little bit later. They want it to work quicker. But what's good is that you'll find yourself grabbing for it less, and it tends to last longer. If you see, although you have to wait for the onset, it will then last longer throughout the day. This is a favorite in the outpatient setting for that reason. The next one over, let me back up. The next one over is actually Valium, also called diazepam. And again, same story. If you notice, it takes even longer for it to start. But once it starts, you get a smoothness and it will last longer. Okay, and Valium diazepam is the only one that has significant muscle relaxant activity, so it's used often in the pain management world. And then the last one, this final one right here, if you notice, again, takes very long for it to start, but then lasts the longest out of all of them. And that's called chlordiazepoxide, say that 10 times, also called Librium. This one is really just used in alcohol withdrawal and to help folks come off of alcohol. If that made sense, let me know in the comments.